shoki. Shoki means sanity, consciousness, sanity or consciousness. This word is from the kanji sho. The kanji sho is mean right or something that is correct. The sho is from the kanji that tadashi. Tadashi is mean something that is right or something that is correct. And the kanji that ki, the kanji of the ki is mean you have the two meaning is mean the climate and the mind or the spirit or the mood. But in here we use with the meaning of climate, not climate. We use with the meaning of the mind or the mood. So shoki is mean your mind in the right way or your mind in the normal situation. So when we use these two kanjis together, it can be mean like sanity or consciousness. And using here we have the sentence like 彼女は気を失ったが数分後に正気に戻った。彼女は気を失ったが数分後に正気に戻った。She fainted but came back to her senses after a few minutes. She fainted but came back to her senses after a few minutes. In here, 彼女is mean she, and ki is mean your mind or your heart or your mood. Ushinau is mean you lost, right? Which means you lost something. So it means you lost your heart, right? So ushinatta is mean the past tense. And in here, ga is mean but. 数分後 数分 is mean a few minutes. 数分 is mean a few minutes, and go is mean after. So when we put 数分後 is mean after a few minutes. This is the compound nouns, and it's the phrase you have to remember. And the last one, 正気に戻った。戻った is from the word 戻る or 戻ります。It means come back or back. So 正気に戻った is mean come back to the normal sense or to come back to the consciousness, right? This means come back to the it always be. So we can say 正気に戻った or 正気に戻りました。気圧 is mean atmospheric pressure. The kanji ki is mean the climate or the weather, and the kanji of atsu. The kanji of atsu is mean the pressure. So when we put the kanji that mean the climate or the weather with the kanji that the pressure, so it can be mean that atmospheric pressure. Kiatsu. And here we have the sentence like 気圧が急速に下がっている。気圧が急速に下がっている。Or if you don't want to say, you can say like 気圧が急速に下がっています。And this sentence means the pressure is dropping rapidly. The pressure is dropping rapidly. In here is mean the atmospheric pressure is not the pressure in the person. It's not in pressure from the person, so it's the pressure for the weather. But they don't write all the words, so they just say the pressure. Or you can say like the atmosphere pressure is dropping rapidly. In here, 気圧is mean the atmosphere pressure, and 急速is mean something that suddenly, and or something that happened in a short time. So you can say 急速. Q is mean hurry, and soku is mean the speed. So it can be something that use the speed very fast. So kyusaku is mean rapidly or something that happens suddenly. And the word sagaru is mean down something down to the bottom. So you can use sagaru or sagarimasu, or you can say sagatte iru or sagatte imasu. It just had the same meaning like sagaru. So in here we use with pressure, so we should translate to be like dropping, alright, something that dropping down. And kyusaku in here is translated to be like rapidly, or we can say like suddenly. So this sentence is mean the atmosphere pressure is dropping rapidly. 気楽 is mean comfortable or something that's in the situation of easily or easy or ease. In here the word ki, in this word we translate to be like the mood, the mind, the heart, or the feeling of the people. And the raku, the kanji of raku is from the kanji tanoshi. Tanoshi is mean enjoy, right? So in here is mean something that enjoy, or you can feel that you can have it funny and you can enjoy it. So when we put the kanji that have the meaning that the mind or the mood or the heart with the kanji of that mean something that enjoy, this means you enjoy about your heart, or you enjoy about your mind or your feeling. So it means that you feel comfortable, or you feel that it's something that not make you feel be that it's not good, but it's the thing that make you feel that you are want to do, or you feel that you're enjoying with something. So you can say kiraku, comfortable. And here we have the sentence like watashi wa kiraku ni hataraite masu. Watashi wa kiraku ni hataraite masu, which means I feel free to work, or I work easily, or something that you feel that when you go to work and you feel that you enjoy with the work. So you can say that kiraku, you enjoy the work and something goes smoothly. So in the case like this, you can say kiraku. This means something is easy for you, and if you enjoy with the words, you can say kiraku. And in here, watashi is mean I. Kiraku is mean comfortable, or something that you feel easily, or something that you can be enjoyable with it. And hataraitemasu. Hataraitemasu is from the word, the verb that are hataraku or hatarakimasu. Hataraku or hatarakimasu is mean that work, or you do the job, or you do the work. So they say hataraku. So in here they use kiraku ni hataraitemasu. It means you feel enjoy with your work, or you feel comfortable with your job when you do your job. Yuki. Yuki is mean bravery. Bravery. In here we have the sentence like, Yuki ga aru hito wa dare desu ka? Yuki ga aru hito wa dare desu ka? Yuki is mean the bravery, and hito is mean the person, and dare is mean who. So yuki ga aru hito. Yuki ga aru hito is mean the person who is brave, or the person who have the brave. Wa dare desu ka? So who is the person, who is the brave person? So aru hito ga aru hito is mean the person who have who is the brave. So in this sentence you can say like, Yuki ga aru hito wa Tanaka-san desu. Yuki ga aru hito wa Tanaka-san desu, which means Mr. Tanaka-san is the brave person. Or you can say like, Watashi no tomodachi wa yuki o motemasu. Watashi no tomodachi wa yuki o motemasu, which means my friend is the brave person. My friend is the brave person.